Hi, this is Hao Chongxia. In this video, I'm going to introduce my individual project 1 for the data engineering. So first of all, I found this interesting CSV talking about COVID-19. There's several columns of it, and there's date, institution name, latitude, and so on. I felt that I was most interested in the total confirm and the date and also their relationships. So I did all my job based on those two columns. And after that, I create a Jupyter notebook. I first used the describe function to pull out all the descriptive statistics like mean and STD. And here it is. And also, I wrote my own describe in the lib.py and imported it from the lib to the Jupyter notebook to test the Jupyter notebook. And I mark all the block that I want to test by this comment. And all the other functions are tested by this way. So I'm just going to introduce this one time. And after this, I use the get median to get the median of those four columns, which I think will be more meaningful than other columns. And then I plotted a histogram about the distribution of the total confirmed by count. And here it is. After that, I viewed the CSV in a more detailed way, and then I found that there might be a relationship between the total confirmed and the date. So I plot a new histogram about the total confirmed vs date, and I then simplified it into a scatter plot like this. And in this graph, you can even view the linear relationship more clearly. So I did the linear regression based on those two columns, and I got this. This is all the graph and the function I got, and here is the lib.py. Here's the 6 definitions of my functions, and also I test my lib based on the test lib and use the assert and the calling to test it. And also I write a script.py as the main function to print all my things in a logic way and then test the script. In the README, here's basically the summary of my project, and here's all the important files I made, which I think will be enough to fulfill all the requirements in this project. And here's the purpose and preparation. And while I was doing the test, I definitely met some problems. Here, I first format the code with Python Black and then link the code with RAF as the required. I use this version of the RAF in the requirements and use this command under the link to in the makefile to do the test. And then I test my code. First, I got an invalid notebook because I directly added .ipynb files into the GitHub. And then after consulting TA, I fixed this problem in this part. And then when I tried to plot the distribution of the total confirmed by date, I found that there's no date showing up under the x-axis. So after print the type of the date is string. So then I convert it to the date time, and then I fixed this problem. Thirdly, I met a new problem because both date type data and row index can't be able to use in a linear regression. So I first reset the index, and then create a new columns called date index to do the linear regression. And then I got all pass. Here's the test lib and the test script. And I also use the nbval to add this command under the testing makefile to test my Jupyter notebook. Here's all the visualizations I got, and here's all the summary statistics I got. Here I'm going to provide the link of this video. And thank you so much.